Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this electric spin scrubber. As you can see, this is model HM708A. It comes with a quick start guide, comes with a user manual, but you pretty much don't even need those just because of how easy this is to use. This comes in two pieces, and I simply just connected them together, and then you can use this to extend out how long you want your scrubber, like so. And then you've got the power button right here. It has two speeds, speed number 1 and then speed number 2. And super easy to remove the attachments. You got this very strong Velcro here. You've got two of these kind of like polishing brushes, and then you've got these more coarse kind of brushes here for tougher jobs. Then you've even got this big fluffy one here, a more concentrated one here, and I'd say this is just like the standard one here. So you just want to go ahead and pop these things off like so, and then you can go ahead and just put whatever one you want on there. And then it comes with this USB-C cable for charging. So overall, this thing is just super straightforward. I'm sure right here is where you charge it up. It's got this nice waterproof cover, because you will probably be using this with water or other types of cleaning detergents. And as you can see, very nice grip right there. This thing, you can reach very far with this. So you can do ceilings, you can do the ground, you can do just countertops, anything you want. This thing can do it. Overall, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.